Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the 80K Woods Walker channel. I'm Jay, and this is Hike October. So good how many people have come on this hike. I think we have a total of 20 in our group. Everybody's wearing costumes. We've got kids, we've got dogs. Such an awesome day to be out in the woods with some old friends and some new friends. Excellent stuff. So maybe you're wondering why we have 20 people in costumes in the middle of the woods hiking up to a fire tower. Well, it is October and we're still working towards our Hike for Mental Health Hike October goals for fundraising and for miles. And it seemed like a really good idea to do a costume hike. Why not, right? Got a lot of people involved, great costumes, great conversations. It's an all-around great time. So pretty awesome. We're actually almost to the top of the fire tower right now, and I'm gonna hang out up there for a little bit, chat, eat some food, just enjoy the day. Let's go. So we made it to the top of the mountain. There's the beautiful fire tower here. We're all having a really good time, hanging out, having conversations, eating some good food, having some Sour Patch Kids, and there's a special treat. Want to tell us what the special treat is? Well, first introduce yourself.
I'm Byron, and I brought some Big Slide, and my buddy James brought some Giant. They are IPAs, unfortunately.
That's okay, we won't hold it against you because I think you're the only person that brought beer. So
there we go.
Beer's great. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, FedEx delivers.
FedEx delivers.
Oh man, Goodnow Fire Tower does not disappoint. What a beautiful day. The views are incredible. This has just been a perfect Hike October day. Great costume party on the summit. We just hung out, had a great time. I'm having so much fun, and I met a whole lot of very cool people. And it's just awesome. There's nothing better than coming out into the woods with some good friends and having a good day, just to clear your gray matter, talk about mental health, and just enjoy yourselves, enjoy life. It's so awesome, so cool. Check these views out. Unfortunately, the cab is in a little bit of a disrepair, so it's closed up, but doesn't matter. The views from the stairs are pretty awesome. But it's just about time to get back down the mountain, so let's go. All right, today was just awesome, and I had a great chance to meet some awesome people like Woodsy Rush. You guys want to introduce yourselves to everybody?
Sure. I'm Chris Woodsy.
And Frank Rush.
And we have been doing a channel for a very short time. We just wanted to get it out there and show that you can have a lot of fun hiking and you don't have to be in the greatest shape. And you do get in better shape as you go, and you can really surprise yourself sometimes.
Yeah,
So.
my kind of people, because
Yes.
you guys know me. I always say I'm a big guy. That's not a lie. And what Adirondack hike would not be complete without Melissa? How's it going, man?
It's going. It's going good, yeah.
Oh God, there's a wild John in the background.
I love it.
Melissa, obviously the unlikely hiker. Tell us what you've been doing lately.
It's been a busy year. We went down to the Smokies. I've been out to Colorado. I did a good chunk of the Western Collegiates, and I was just down at Red River Gorge, and Ruby has done 5 more high peaks.
Wow, that's way busier than I've been. That's awesome. And you still came back to the Northeast, and you want to stay in the Adirondacks, huh? You still hiking with us in the Adirondacks?
Absolutely.
Wow,
It's a magical place.
That's got to tell you something. Yeah. So thanks for coming out, man. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for
It was
doing
awesome.
this.
Yeah.
I love any opportunity to wear my narwhal suit.
Costume hikes are awesome.
I got a
Narwhal.
tail somewhere back there. Yes, narwhals are great.
That's awesome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome.
Love it.
All right, an awesome adventure today. Remember, we're hiking for Hike October, so if you're interested in finding out some more information, go to the link below, 80kwoodswalker.com/Hike October. You can donate there to our fundraiser. We're getting close to that end, so if you can help, that would be awesome. Thank you to everybody that came out today. It was so awesome. In fact, I think this is going to become an annual tradition, so look forward to our next costume hike next year. It's going to be awesome. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. But remember, most importantly, I hope that we have inspired you to get outside and do something awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.